Hello students, today we will learn about computation of QD. So, computation of QD means computation of quartile deviation. To learn about quartile deviation, we have the formula QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Then what is Q3 and what is Q1? Q3 is the upper quartile or the third quartile. Q1 is the lower quartile or the first quartile. So what are the formulas for Q3 and Q1? I have written here the formula. Q3 is equal to value of 3 multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 4th item. This all thing is in brackets. So n plus 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. That the item at that position and whatever the value of that item. Then Q1 is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by 4th item. So first we must know the formula of Q3 and Q1. Then the formula for QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2, and coefficient of QD is given by Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. Now problem. I will give you the problem statement here. So our problem statement is calculate the quartile deviation and its coefficient for the data 11, 12, 20, 16, 18, 30, 44, 40, 50, 46, 62. This is our problem statement. What they told to calculate quartile deviation and its coefficient. So to calculate this, first we have to arrange this data into the ascending order. So I will start with the solution. I will keep the problem here only. So the solution: 11, 12, 16, 18, 20, 30, 40, 44, 46, 50, 62. I have arranged this data into the ascending order. Now value of n: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n is equal to 11. Now I will calculate Q1. Q1 is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by 4th item. So that is equal to value of 11 plus 1 divided by 4th item. That is equal to value of 12 divided by 4th item. That is equal to value of third item. So now I will check which item is third item. 1, 2, 3. So the value of third item is 16. So Q1 is equal to 16 unit. Now I will go for Q3. Q3 is equal to value of 3 multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 4th item. So that is equal to value of 3 multiplied by 11 plus 1 divided by 4th item. That is equal to value of 3 multiplied by 3th item. That is equal to value of 9th item. That is equal to value of 9th item is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 46 unit. So now we got Q3 and Q1. It is a best practice to highlight these sub answers. So now I will turn my page. Now QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. That is equal to 46 minus 16 divided by 2. That is equal to 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15 units. So we got QD as a 15 unit. Now coefficient of QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. That is equal to 46 minus 16 upon 46 plus 16. That is equal to 30 plus 62. Now I will use here the calculator. So my answer is 0.484. So coefficient of QD is 0.484 and QD is equal to 15 unit. When the data is simple, this is the way to calculate the QD.